How to download Snapchat on iPhone. So first things first, what you'll need to do to make sure that you don't get any trouble downloading Snapchat is head over to your settings. On your settings, scroll down and head over to General. Then after you're on your General, there you'll find an option called Software Update. Tap on Software Update and check if there is an update available. If there is an update available, update to the latest version. After you update to the latest version, you can then head over to your App Store. And on your App Store, head over to the search section on the bottom right. Then simply tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, there we go, there is Snapchat right here. Tap on the install button, that will be right here. Tap on install and install your Snapchat. Now, the download speed can depend on the internet speed that you have, so wait for it to get downloaded, and after it downloads, you can then open it up and log in into your account. And that's basically how you download Snapchat. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.